Me, Polly C. Today we're in the garage again with the Chevy Trax. As you can see, I got, getting ready for the season, winterizing the car. I got Bridgestone's Blizzaks put on the other day, brand new, with the steel rims. I figured to complement the rims, I got some wheel covers, so we're going to install those today. Alright, so we got the box here. These ones are actually all put together, it looks like. The last ones I got from my last Trax, I had to install these rings around. This company actually makes it easy, so you just gotta pretty well get a rubber mallet, which I don't have. I have to be very careful putting these on. I'll probably use my hand or something else just to stripe it around. So let's get these put on. Alright, one thing you're going to want to do is locate the part where the valve stem is, and that's pretty easy. There's a little notch right there, and plus this part's round compared to all these other spots around here. So that's all you got to do is just line that up, and you should be pretty good to go with that. Alright, so now we've determined where the cap is. We're going to line that up. And I'll just make sure it's nice and tight. Like I say, you should be using a rubber mallet for this, or you're going to hurt your hand maybe. But you can see it's pretty straightforward. Make sure they're all nice and tight. And you just keep repeating that over and over. Alright, last one here. Now, you're going to want to go over this with like a rubber mallet or something. I know I punched them on, but I just want to be careful. I don't have a rubber mallet, so what I'm going to do is get a hammer and just use my, sounds funny, just use my slipper there and it'll go on. Use what you can. There you have it. Here's the back, the front, and we'll go to this side. Do a side view on this side, there's more light. And that's pretty much it.